Understanding, that's the ticket in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to decode a fascinating English expression, that's the ticket. This phrase might puzzle non-native speakers, but fear not. We're here to uncover its meaning, use, and origin. Let's dive into the world of English idioms and learn how "that's the ticket" can spice up your conversations. At its core, "that's the ticket" is an expression of approval or confirmation. It's used when something is exactly right or when someone does something perfectly. Imagine finding a solution to a tricky problem or finally accomplishing a task that you've been struggling with. Saying, "that's the ticket," is like a nod of satisfaction, acknowledging that the outcome is just what was needed. To fully grasp "that's the ticket," let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. In problem solving. 2. A. What if we approach the client this way instead? 3. B. Ah, that's the ticket. That approach seems much more effective. 4. In learning or coaching. 5. Coach. Keep your eye on the ball and swing smoothly. 6. Player hits the ball perfectly. 7. Coach. That's the ticket. You nailed it. 8. In daily tasks. 9. Person 1. I finally organized these files by date instead of by name. 10. Person 2. That's the ticket. It will make finding them so much easier. In each scenario, "that's the ticket" is used to affirm that the action taken is the correct or best choice. Tracing back the roots, "that's the ticket" originates from the 18th century. Ticket, in Old English, had a broader meaning, often relating to a solution or a means to an end. Over time, the phrase became popular in everyday language, symbolizing the right solution or method, much like finding the right ticket to enter an event or embark on a journey. And there you have it. "That's the ticket" is more than just an expression. It's a nod to correctness, a symbol of the perfect solution. We hope this video has been your ticket to understanding this charming English phrase. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!